I know. Hi guys. Your eyes do not deceive you. I have made my YouTube return. Okay? Yay! Okay. So for those of you who don't know who I am, my name is Mari. I make beauty and hair content here on YouTube and on TikTok. These past few months I have been MIA because I have been trying to save for a camera and a laptop. Because if you know anything about iPhones or just phones in general, the storage just gets ate up real quick and then your phone just becomes slow and everything. And because I was making content on TikTok and YouTube, it was just too much for my little phone to handle. So now I'm able to make YouTube videos on my fancy schmancy digital camera on Afterpay. Okay, so hair updates. I haven't had a relaxer since February of 2023. Don't come for me. The reason why I haven't gotten a relaxer since then is because I wanted to see if I can really give the whole straight natural thing a shot, because I never really tried. I just felt it was too intimidating to try to do with all of my long thick hair, to try to get it to become heat trained. It was just too much because it would take me like hours to do. So I figured, okay, I've enjoyed this relaxer time. I've enjoyed the ease of doing my hair. Let me see if I can become a straight natural with just a little bit of hair growing in at a time. And hopefully my hair will become easier and easier to straighten, because I know that there's a difference between heat damage and heat trained hair, whatever. But I just wanted to see if I could do it. And also another reason why I wanted to grow out my hair is because I want to get color. I want to get professional color in a salon. I've done the whole box dye thing back in high school and college and stuff. Wasn't the healthiest, didn't look the best, but I really want to color my hair. You're probably gonna eat me up in the comments, especially because of the whole why I'm not natural anymore, but I don't care. It's my hair, I can change my mind, and so can you. I have not had a relaxer since February of 2023, and it has been a little bit of a journey, but honestly, it hasn't been that bad. I have been using this Ride or Die Color Wow every single wash day because it genuinely does help as far as helping my hair to not revert that bad. And also when I do go to the gym, I wear one of those sweat wraps. It's not the best. The one that I have is honestly not the best. I really want to get like the Aloe one or like the Gymshark one, because I just have like these little rinky-dink ones that I get from Amazon. It's just not the same. It's like not the same kind of like sweat wicking-ish fabric. Yes guys, so I'm back making content. I do want to expand my channel, doing a little bit more beauty and lifestyle, not just hair. I already recorded another video on how I blow dry my hair, so you'll be able to see the two textures and how I blow it dry, just so I can like flat iron it and everything. So I'm just splitting it up so that way it's not too much in one video. But if you guys can do me a favor, please follow me on TikTok. I am almost at 10,000 on there, because I've been MIA from here, but I've been real consistent on TikTok because it's just using my iPhone. But now I'm making TikToks with my camera too, so that my phone storage can just be free and can live. Thank you so much for sticking around. I'm so sorry for being so MIA, but technology is expensive. And I wanted to make sure that I came back with like good quality video and a laptop and everything. That way I could be more consistent on here. Please hit that subscribe button. Welcome. And I'm so glad that you are here, and I'm so glad to be back. If you guys have any requests or anything, leave them down below. I'll have my other socials down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.